Adopting a binary and very naive point of view, the mathematical word could be divided into two. On one side, we study shapes and figures, and on the other side, we analyze the rules and the connections that may be created among objects. On the first side, there is the geometry, and on the other side, there is the algebra. Up to here, we have characterized a field by 8 properties, 4 related to the sum and 4 to the product. They are the associativity, the commutativity, the existence of the identity element 0 and 1, and the existence of inverses A star and B cross. But in a field, there is another rule, a 9th